Guys, Brian back here with another Bitcoin update. We are approaching a very dangerous area here. All right, right here on the Fibonacci. All right, we're coming back up to that 618 at 48,700. Okay, that is going to be the 618. The 702 is up at 53,089. All right, so we came up and hit that 618 earlier, I don't know, a month ago. Now we're approaching it again here. Okay, so be very, very cautious of this area. 48,600. I want to make sure this is right. Yeah. Okay, so that 618 is coming up here. All right, you got your weekly RSI just turning back up. The monthly is right at the top at a 100 and a 100, and the daily is at a 100 and a 99. Okay, so you can see how close this 618 is getting. Now Bitcoin could blow right through this. All right, I want to show you a couple things here because they're very we were looking at this move here on the daily and expecting some kind of rejection or something around the 618 or 702 in here at 45 to 46,000. Not much happened, blew right through them. Okay, so now it's getting up towards that 618 again. All right, that is going to be a very, very interesting area. Now, is this a wave 1 and a wave 2 in here and Bitcoin's going to go higher? Well, if we put a trend-based fib on this and go from the low to the high back to the retracement of wave 2, this would put it up in the low 50s. Okay, so we'll see what happens here, but 1, 2, this would be your wave 3 coming up, a 4th wave back and a 5th wave up. If it gets into the low 50s, if that ends up playing out. And you members, I put out a video yesterday on trendline breaks. Please go watch that. Okay, you definitely want to see that video. I'm going to put out a part 2 tomorrow. The first video was 45 minutes long, so I got to get a part 2 out for it though, because trendline breaks are awesome trading opportunities. You don't want to miss out on them. If it comes into the low 50s, that's going to be the 702 retracement. That means it's going to go through the 618 towards the 702. All right, I would not doubt that for 1 second. If it gets rejected at the 702, all right, you'd be looking at a pull down for Bitcoin, possibly. If it gets rejected there, down to, whoops, I apologize. Let me get this right here. All right, if it gets rejected there, okay, would be expecting, I apologize. I was thinking of, we were zooming in there, into the mid-30s. Okay, that's where I would expect this thing to possibly pull back to. That would give it a 618 retracement. If you go from swing low to swing high, if this gets into the low 50s, say right even 52,000, say it gets to 52,000 bucks. All right, that would give us right around $35,000 for a retracement, possibly. This thing is still not in the clear yet. That's the big thing. The 618 and 702 are going to be major problem areas for this thing. Right around 48.6 and up at 53. Pay close attention to these areas, guys. You could have a big a big rejection up here possibly at that 53. So keep a very, very close eye on it. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Be back with you soon.